Hey guys, before we even dive into this video, I need to apologize. The setup is terrible. The video quality is not too nice. It's very bad. So I am very sorry for that.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this day was another wash day and I decided to film it. Usually I haven't filmed my wash day in a long while because of my setup, and that is why it is like this. Though I decided to go ahead with it on this particular day. I didn't even test it to see if it was okay or not. But then I filmed it and I feel like I just have to upload it as it is. And also it is having like this 9 by 16 camera. Meanwhile, I set it to be 6 by 19, which is normal YouTube frame. But I don't know what happened to the footage. I really cannot explain it. But we are going to make do with what we have here. Thank you for understanding. So on this particular day, my hair was terribly dirty, so I had to shampoo twice. Even though my shampoo wasn't lathering on this day, I believed it was because my hair was dirty. So this was me with my first finishing with my first shampoo in, and then going ahead with the second one. Now the second shampoo, everything was okay. It lathered fine, and I was happy for that. So I tried as much as possible to wash my hair, clean up my scalp because I had a lot of products build up. And if you know that you have a low porosity hair, you're going to experience this. Like my hair didn't even feel well until I did my second shampoo. Our hair has low porosity, girly or guy. It's difficult for products and water to get into our hair strands and cuticles, and thereby it needs more time to sit under the shower or sit under the water to get hydrated. So after rinsing out the second shampoo, it got way better. I felt the water in my head. I felt like my hair has already absorbed the amount of water it needed. So this particular wash day, in fact, right now I have no hair products anymore because this wash day was the one that I finished my hair product on. So I used my go-to deep conditioner, which is mega good. I added that thing, and remember, then my hair oil that has peppermint in it. I mixed it all up. My hair products are like close to getting finished, so I just made do with what I had on this particular wash day. So to go on, I sectioned my hair and I deep condition each part, even though this is not the amount I use on my regular wash day, but I had to manage on this particular wash day. So I sectioned, I had it to the tip most importantly, and I combed out on every side, and then I rinsed out, I think about after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes after rinsing my hair out, my hair felt kind of soft. Like I didn't expect my hair to feel that way with the minimal deep conditioner I used, but I guess things worked out. So quickly, let me share with you guys an experience. So to start with, I would say that God's plan and man's plan are usually always different. So on this day, I told myself in the morning before I went off to work that I was going to evangelize at least one person on my way back home. So when I was taking breakfast, I felt like I should have set an alarm to 2:55 since I close by 3 o'clock, and just to remind me that I have something to do by 3. Okay, so lo and behold, I waited for a friend, and I couldn't say I want to work alone this time around, just work alone. No, I couldn't say that. So I was like, okay, then I'll do it tomorrow. We continued on our journey, and I never knew that the person that was to evangelize to was this friend. Like for real. I was surprised when it all played out, and I got home. I was thinking, like the person I was supposed to preach to was to be like an outsider or a random person walking down the street. Or unknowing to me that I was to preach to somebody that I work with. Like it didn't click until I thought about it, and I was grateful to God that that conversation even started in the first place, and we're able to talk about God because man, he had like a different view of everything about Christianity and about God, and I was just so grateful to God that that conversation ever happened. I have been taught and I have learned that when you're planning your day, when you're planning your life, give room for God to make some adjustments because that's your plan, might not necessarily be His plans. And we human know that when we plan a particular thing and it didn't go our way, we begin to feel like things are not going right. We begin to feel like the devil is against us. No, it might just be God trying to remove some things and add up some things. It doesn't necessarily have to go your way, so just take that. Okay. So back to our egg. You saw me like mixing two living conditioners together because yes, I was out, like completely out of product, and this is just how I deep condition my hair. Yeah, really. This is how I apply my leave-in conditioner to my hair, and after that, I realized that my hair needed some trim, so I did a trim right after this video. This is one of the easy way to get your hair trimmed, though it doesn't guarantee you that all your split ends are gone. Because on this particular day, I had to lose some twist and retwist them so that I could get some of the ends. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video this far. I really, really appreciate you and I love you.